In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom theme in Blogger. If you want to give your blog a brand new appearance, improve its design, or simply try a different style, then this tutorial will guide you through the entire process in a simple and beginner-friendly way. By the end of this video, you'll know how to apply built-in Blogger themes, upload a custom XML template, and make sure your blog layout stays organized after changing the design. To get started, open your browser and visit Blogger's official website. After that, sign in to your Blogger account and choose the blog that you want to customize. Once your dashboard opens, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click on the Themes section. This is where you can manage the overall design and appearance of your blog. Inside the theme page, Blogger gives you several ready-made templates that you can use immediately. You can browse through different styles and preview the overall look before applying one to your website. Spend a little time exploring the available options so you can choose a theme that best matches your content and personal style. When you find a design you like, simply hover over it and click the Apply button. Blogger will instantly activate the new theme so you can see how your blog looks with the updated design. If you prefer a more unique style, you can also upload a custom Blogger template. Most custom Blogger themes come as XML files. Before uploading anything, it's very important to create a backup of your current template. In the Themes section, open the menu in the top right corner and select the Backup option. Downloading a backup gives you a safe copy of your existing theme in case you ever want to restore it later. Once your backup is saved, choose the Restore or Upload option and locate the XML file from your computer. Upload the file and wait a few moments while Blogger applies the new template to your site. For users who are comfortable editing code, Blogger also allows direct HTML editing. Simply open the Edit HTML option inside the Theme section. From there, you can replace the existing code with new template code and then save your changes. After changing your theme, don't forget to review your blog layout. Some widgets or gadgets may move to different positions depending on the new design. Open the Layout section and rearrange items such as menus, sidebars, and footer sections so everything looks clean and organized. And that's it. Your Blogger site should now have a completely fresh look with your new custom theme. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.